This video I'm going to show you exactly my personal thought and opinion, exactly what I'm expecting BZFD to go, and all the interesting stuff. So let's get right into it. Before we get into the source disclaimer, nothing on the channel constitutes professional and or financial advice. Having said that, let's take a look. 60% down for the day is a big number. Okay, the is that a big thing? No. Okay, I'm gonna say why and explain it right now in a second. So you can see how we have a demand area right here. This object that we have, this is so-called demand area. Again, you just have a free courses in my Discord. You can go check them out. So the explanations behind demand, supply areas, everything like that. But nevertheless, these were my previous predictions because I'm definitely still expecting the same thing to happen. So I'm not gonna repeat myself over and over. And this is what I was expecting the price to do. From these points, you can see it's not quite correct. I mean, you know what? I'm just gonna move it a little bit to the side, like right here, and be like, okay, this is my like prediction right now. And of course, I understand that this is a pretty bold statement because this demand area might not even hold. We have some big gaps covering these points, but of course, that also could be the case or something like that. So let me know your thoughts on it. Have a wonderful day.